Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Afro here. This is Afro Kitchen. Good evening, people. Good evening, everyone who's watching me. So today, our Thursday dinner is right full here. I have some potatoes, which is boiling because the udogu of the house doesn't like eating pasta. So today we are making pasta. I'm preparing this one here. I hope you can see the brand. Here I have my things for pasta. I have tomatoes. I have some green pepper and carrot. I have some onion, the veggies. We love doing these veggies also. So this is what we are going to have with these chips for the person who doesn't like eating the pasta. So I have my meat here. So I'm going to start cooking them. So come along, guys, and cook with Afro Kitchen. And before we go so far, guys, I would like to know what motivated you to start cooking. How was your first video like when you started doing YouTube cooking? I would like you to tell me in the comment section so that we share the experience together. You're most welcome. Ciao. So this is my vegetables, spice. So this is what I use for my veggies. I'm going to use like a spoon. This is a tablespoon. I'll use 2. I have some pepper. I bring in this much. My people don't like pepper. So I am cooking with this cayenne. Because cayenne is too hot. I think this much would be enough. So I want it to be a little more oily. I like roasting my veggies, guys. Look at that colorful. It is not rainbow, guys. Okay, guys, let us put it in the oven. So here I am. This is the salt I use for my potatoes. Here it is ready. It's steaming. I half boil it, then I add in the salt to taste, then I add in oil, then I roast it right here. So my water is boiling. My pan is ready. Add in some oil. So I'm making first a little more oil. Here is my pasta boiling. Onions. Allow it to cook before adding my meat inside. Take you step by step how I make my pasta. Our meat is here. I cook the meat with the onion things. So there's garlic. I hope you guys are able to see. Add in the garlic. This is garlic and ginger. The ginger will open up that smell and brings a very nice smell. It takes away the smell of the meat so that we can feed. Make sure everything is cooked. And we add in some salt. Smash because the pasta will have some salt. So I have to be gentle with salt. So let it cook. We're adding in our carrot, green pepper. Allow it to cook also together with the meat before adding in tomato paste. Then after tomato paste, then I add tomatoes. That's how I do my pasta. And I love it like that. So here I am. I changed the pan. I realized the one I was using is very small, so I have to switch to a bigger pan. So I'm adding in tomato. This is what I'm using. Ooh, I didn't know it was like this. Let's mix this one and see how it will turn out. Now guys, the color has changed instantly, so it has enough fresh tomatoes. It depends how you like your pasta cooked, so we cook them differently. Everybody has their style. I like cooking at the purest way of cooking, so that I experiment to taste, to eat and feel, and to taste how it feels like or how it tastes like. So this is how I make mine. You can see the meat is so colorful. So I let it also boil for like 5 minutes to 15 minutes, then I add in the pastas. There we are. Our meat has cooked very well. Adding on some spices. I'm going to add in this hot mash. This is like a teaspoon, not full, like half of it. I have also this one here. Also like half teaspoon. Last but not least, black pepper. A little more. Also, I have this one here. So good. So tasty. With the veggies, I'm going to put a full teaspoon. Here we are. Have a taste. Yummy. So tasty. Here is my pasta. Hope you're able to see it from here. Yeah. See, add it on. That is my pasta. Tasty. This is so amazing. The smell itself can make you bite your finger. So this is a simple quick meal for Kina Mama. It is done. There we are. You can see. It's looking good. So let me dish out my food. Welcome to enjoy our dinner with us. When our vegetables are ready, I'm going to bring it out and you will see properly. Right, also for the onion, that good. So guys, this is our dinner for today. As you can see, our pasta is ready. So this is dinner. You're most welcome. We have also a fresh passion juice here. To have this dinner with me, Afro kitchen here. I just want to say good night. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing and leaving a comment in the comment section, asking me a question. Another thing that I want to tell you guys, I would like you guys also to share with me or to tell me what else would you want to see me cooking, or what advice can you give me how to do a proper video.